Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should just with your two fingers slide at the center to this at the same time, and then you'll see here service widgets. After that you can see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, let's see here the clock or the calendar widgets. We can add just the schedule, the just upcoming events schedules, the full months you here. For example, let's use this one. Just to add a widget, we can click here add to home screen or just to hold it, and after that drag it to our screen. If you wanna just change the widget here, you should hold it for a while, and after that click here to move service widgets. You can just change it by this way. For example, you can change it to another one, and to remove this widget you should hold it and click here to remove icon, then just to confirm your action. If you want to move this widget here on the screen, just hold, and after that drag it. We can also create the new screens with the widget. That's not a problem, just hold and drag it to the right side of your screen. And if you want just to edit the widget, you should click here, hold it, and after that click here to edit. After that you can change the color of the widget, you can set the background from your device gallery, and you can change here the date also. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.